Bari aha mukoro gwo kujweka beegi omurundo gw'okubanza habitendekyerere Dr. Safina yetumbitira abebembezi abamatendekero g'emikono abu yagira ngu nibo bareetire omwana w'omwishiki yagwa enyuma.
We call upon the parents, guardians and the youth to appreciate that all of us, when we get these skills, benefit all of us. I can give an example of our country. We have 51% of the population as female, and we have 49% as male. But when it comes to graduation, you find that over 80% are male. The fewer population having the largest percentage.
Omukoro ogwo gutandikire no kushaba okwebembirwa Bishop w'obureberezi bwa Western Kole Diocese Right Reverend Johnson Twinumujune kandi ogwo ahigira okukomya okutwara eby'omukono nk'ebyabaremerwa okushoma.
Nokushomesa computer kukora kongo kugikora namwe tuwa kamera ni rungo jumuyo hato namanyo kwa kuyoperatinga ngo enkwati konga kwa kugira ngo mugikore ubwo hata abajungu bakasoza bakakora umungi konka ineki ekitarara kukiri munonga. The technical skills are the foundation of any and every development.
Dr. Safina Musene o ministry y'obwegese waba hari umugeni mukuru yahega ko habaho emitendera yo kuratara abeegi na munonga abana babishiki kumanya ngo nabo babasa kugira itofari rero bateka ha musingi gwihanga.
So like this graduation today, some time back people have been thinking that there are some skills that are for men only, but this has been demystified now. We can have a girl doing mechanical engineering, automobile techniques, construction, and we want to encourage the girl child to come forward and take on the skills.
Engineer Dr. Kenneth Chijuka ori chairman wa board hari kugamba hono munyamakuru wetu yashobora kugira ngo kushoma kutaroho bukugu tukora umuhoho.
Homo education ninga okushoma kututura twino mu Uganda. Urwo mu primary ukazo mu secondary ukazo mu university ukarga yine degree. Kungeje degree yo yine etakwasa zo mu rutoke rwashoka kure nkonyi. Ningo kazo mwani ukaro kuba gukora kweta ga fertilizer ningo kuba kwasa harvestinga bakagwanika bakakupakira gukarga mamago.
Esitwa bashabwa na church. We roll the bishop. Church the projects.
Ebyo bikiri aho Onesmus Oyesije uri umuhandike mukuru wa UBTEB nawe ayene byashobora hangenderaho yebibwegese obwahatiheroho mu ihanga.
The whole basic education. And that's what we are missing. Everybody is wondering what is happening with our system. The system has no problem. But we don't do basic education. Umuntu kumanya ibintu bikwasa kumbisaho in life.
Webale kukora umutezanyu mukakora mu byobihingwa byanyu konka mukashomesa abana kandi mukabashomesa emyoga.
Itendekyerere rimazire emyaka 20 mbuhereza kandi rijwekera abana 2024. Aha bwa Sky TV gasha kwa Gerald Tugume umurishima.
Omugandi abahereza abamakanisa